Hi, it's Melissa from Little Kosher Lunch. Tonight we had grilled trout for dinner. We didn't get to do them on the grill because I ran out of fuel, unfortunately, and we need to refill the propane tank. So we did them on the broiler, and I wanted to quickly show you how I fillet a fish that has the bones in it still. And my children will be in the background. I look for the line that runs down the spine of the fish, and that's usually evident even on the outer skin of the fish. You see this line? That should correspond with part of the fish anatomy inside. And if we just cut down that line here, I should hit a good solid spine and be able to flip the fish off on either side with the bones pulling out. This fish has cooked and it's been resting for a few minutes. Let's see if we can do it. Just using the side of my knife to kind of apply pressure and pull it away from the bone. And there it goes. So that's my first piece off of this half. And the other half off of this side. There's a little dorsal fin there, so some of the meat will be left behind. Okay, like that little fillet there. And then if I was successful, I should be able to lift the tail up. And I'm going to lift the bones out now.
Excuse me, what am I supposed to do here? Read or study quietly. That's it? That's it. But do it quietly.
There it is. That's the whole skeleton of your fish, which I'll set aside. Obviously, we're always going to check for bones. There's a little bit of bone attached to this fish fin and a little bit here that I'm going to remove once it's on the plate. All right. I'll clean this up a little bit more before I serve the girls' dinner. I have tons of tartar sauce at the ready, and we're going to have a delicious dinner. Bye-bye.